Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these topsytail tools. I got these off of Amazon. They came in a 4-pack, so you get 2 of the large ones, 2 of the small ones. So we're just going to do a couple different ponytail hairstyles. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the first hairstyle, you just want to put your hair up in a ponytail. We're not doing anything fancy. We're literally just doing a ponytail, but I'm going to show you how to hide your clear elastic using a topsytail. So you're just going to take a section of your ponytail and just wrap it all the way around your ponytail. So you do want to leave some of your ends out, and then you just want to take your tool, put it right above your ponytail, and then take the ends and just put it up through that tool. And then you can see how it's hanging out at the bottom. You just want to take the bottom of that tool and then pull it through, and then that'll pull your ends through, and then just tighten up your ponytail and you are good to go. So this is way better than trying to use a bobby pin. So for our next hairstyle, you just want to leave some hair out in the front on both sides and then put the rest of your hair into a ponytail in the back. And then you just want to stick your tool above your ponytail. And then you want to take one section and you just want to go up and through that tool. And then you want to take the bottom of the tool and just pull it through. And your hair will not get tangled when you're doing this. And then do the same thing with the other side. Put your tool right in the middle of your ponytail and then just pull that other section up through that tool. And then you want to take the bottom of the tool and just pull it through. And then just take your ponytail and tighten it. And then I'm just going to kind of pinch and pull and loosen up some of these sections just to make it a little bit less formal. If you like the way it is, then you can just leave it. But this is what it ends up looking like. I think it looks super cute. So now we're doing the exact same ponytail as what we just did, but we're going to move the topsytail tool a little bit just to show you how it can be a little different. So I'm just moving it to the side of my head and just pulling the section through. And then again, moving the topsytail tool to the side of my head and just pulling the hair through. And then I didn't do this next step with my last one, but you definitely can. I'm just going to take those sections that we pulled through and I'm just going to tie them with a clear elastic. That way they're not like to the side of my head. And then look at the difference that the tool makes when it's in the middle of your head versus each side of your head. It just gives the ponytail a totally different look. And I love that we can easily achieve these ponytails without using any bobby pins. And for the next ponytail, we're just gonna do a regular 3-strand braid right down the center of our head. And I'm just gonna stop like midpoint of my head and then tie it off with a clear elastic. So I'm gonna start with my left side and I'm just gonna take the tool, put it through at the opening, take a section from the right side of my head, and then just kind of put it up through that topsytail tool. And then just pull it. Now just take the tool, put it on the right side of the braid, and then just take a section from the left side of your head and then pull it through the tool, and then just take the bottom of the tool and pull it through. Now just put the tool on the left side of the braid and then pull the right section through, and then just take the bottom of the tool, pull it through, and then we just keep doing this all the way down the braid. And you could just make this one big braid and do this all the way down your head, but I did not have the arm strength today, so I just pulled the rest of my hair into a ponytail. And then like we did with the first ponytail, I'm just taking a section, wrapping it around that clear elastic to hide it, putting the topsytail through right above it, and then just pulling it. That way we hide that clear elastic. And then I'm just gonna take that hair and just kind of stretch it out, pull it, make it looser, make it messier, because that's kind of how I like my ponytails. And this is what it looks like. So if you don't know how to French braid or French fishtail, this is definitely a good alternative. And it looks cute from the front. Now for the last hairstyle, this is the easiest one. Just put your hair into a loose ponytail, put the tool right above your ponytail holder, and then you just want to pull your ponytail up through and then just pull the topsytail and boom, there it is. Super simple, literally took like 10 seconds. So that's the video. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. I do want to keep playing around with these and maybe do like buns and updos. So let me know which one you want to see next. Look who I have with me. Oh, look how cute he is. He's such a little snuggle bug. He is almost 4 months old now, so he's getting very big. He looks exactly like his older brother Knox. So that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!